ਇਸ ਮੌਕੇ ਆਰਮੀ ਚੀਫ ਜਨਰਲ ਬਿਪਨ ਰਾਵਤ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਹੀਦਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ਰਧਾਂਜਲੀ ਦਿੱਤੀ।
My message is don't do it. This was a misadventure. Misadventures are normally not repeated. You will get a bloodier nose next time. Situation is very good. Let me tell you, repeatedly we have informed you that there are perceptions on the alignment of the line of actual control. The Chinese perceive the line of control being in a particular area. We perceive the line of control being in another area. And there are overlapping areas between the two. Now both sides obviously want to dominate their respective areas. So Chinese attempt to carry out patrolling up to their perception of the line of control. We attempt to carry out patrolling up to our perception of the line of control. And obviously in between sometimes soldiers of both armies meet. But I think the mechanisms that are in place to ensure that we do not escalate have been working. Firstly, at the level of the troops, the guidelines have been issued to them, particularly after the Wuhan summit. The PLA knows how they have to act. The Indian Army soldiers know how they have to act, including the ITBP which operates along with us. So on the ground level, I think there is no problem. Should there be any problem and we find that there is a scope of escalation, then we have meetings at the sector commander level, and if necessitated even at the division commander level. We do interact and ensure that the situation is not allowed to escalate and that peace and tranquility is maintained. So there is no change in the situation from earlier. It is just that somebody wants to make news, so to make news they have to create news, and that's why it's happening. But the situation is very much under control, and I think peace and tranquility prevails along the line of actual control with our northern edge.